Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite products. The products that I'm currently loving. Actually not currently, these are the products that I've been loving over time. These are my favorite products that I would carry with me everywhere and I would recommend it to my nearest and the dearest ones. So without much further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the very first product that I'm going to talk about is the NYKAA Skin Genius Foundation. I have a review on this foundation on my channel which I'm going to link down below in case you want to watch it. Now, the thing I really love about this foundation is that it looks brilliant. It looks so good on the skin. It gives me such a beautiful glow. And I don't see a lot of foundations doing that. Usually the foundations are like satiny matte or matte finish. This one gives you a glow that no other foundation will be able to give you because it has hyaluronic acid, which is also good for your skin. So it's not a foundation that's, you know, it's makeup with skincare combined. Your skin will look plump, radiant, healthy when you wear this foundation. Also the fact that this one is not very pricey. It's very affordable for the quantity you get, and the packaging is also travel friendly. So I love pretty much everything about the foundation. This foundation is a medium coverage and it looks very natural on the skin. Now having said that, if you love full coverage foundations or if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, this is not the one for you because it's a medium coverage. And yeah, I definitely love this. Alright, so the second one is no surprise if you have watched the makeup tutorials on my channel. It is a Eyeshadow contour kit. Now this one, I mean, when I started doing contours, I got a few products from the market and the shade of the contour was very close to my skin tone. It was just one shade darker than my skin tone and it didn't really give me that sculpt. You know, it was great for bronzing up the skin but not for contouring. I needed that shade that works for my skin tone and I was looking for that shade. Now this one, as you can see, it comes with a mirror as well, and these two shades right here, you can mix them up, you can customize your shade and you can use it for contour. I have it on my skin right now. It gives such a nice contour to your skin. So if you fall in the category of from beige to dusky, this is the contour product that will surely work for you. I'm not sure about the fair ones because for them these shades might be darker. So I basically mix these two shades for my cheekbone and I use this darker one for my jawline. Now the highlighter in this one is also really good. I wasn't sure about this one when I first got it because I thought that didn't really show on my skin. It's a subtle highlighter. It's not one of those blinding highlighters, but come on guys, you don't always want to, you know, blind people with your luminosity. You want them to look at you. And it looks ivory in the pan, but it has a nice golden sheen to it, which looks beautiful on every skin tone. So when I contour my cheekbones, I actually check in this mirror whether I have it equal or not, and this is not really huge, but it still allows me to, you know, see my entire face in it. And this packaging is great. It's very sturdy. I actually dropped it once and it did not break. I'm not saying you will drop it once and check it, but don't drop your makeup. You will most probably break it, so don't do that. Now this palette also comes with this brush. Now this brush is amazing. So when you pay 1600, remember that you're actually getting two products, you're not getting just one product. So this brush right here, this is great for a contour. I have used this brush today. The size is not too big and it is great for a contour. Fits perfectly on the cheekbone and even on the jawline if you want to. And the quality is amazing, and this one I use for my highlight, so I'm currently obsessed with this one. Not currently, I think I've been obsessed with this one. Alright, so the third recommendation I have is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is no surprise, many people already have this, they already love this, and in case you have not tried this one, I will highly recommend this one. But I'm talking about the washable variant, not the waterproof one. This one is the washable variant. The waterproof one is such a pain to take off that I actually don't like that one because I like my makeup to be comfortable, and at the end of the day I wanted to be able to take off my makeup easily and not like scratching and rubbing my eye. The waterproof one is such a pain to take off. This one is such a good mix of the waterproof and the non-waterproof. Like this one stays on your lashes. It doesn't smudge because when you're wearing sunglasses or if you wear spectacles for example, it doesn't smudge easily. So this one is actually smudge proof but not waterproof, which is a great essential for an everyday mascara. So you can wear this for every day. And I mean the volume and length, I think you must have already heard about it, but let me tell it to you again that the volume it gives to your lashes in just one coat is brilliant. It separates your lashes. The wand of this mascara is like a rubber wand and it is a very interesting one. It's slightly curved and this allows you to go really close to your lashes, and even for the bottom lashes you can use, you know, this side, which is amazing. So this is one of the best mascaras in the market, guys, and I am definitely obsessed with this one. I'm gonna buy this again and again. Okay, so the fourth product is actually something that I got 2 months ago. It is the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss Highlighter. I wanted a very strong, bold highlighter for the weddings I was going to attend, and I thought of getting this one. Now this one comes in 3 shades. This is in the shade Golden Kiss. It also comes in the shade Ice Kiss, which is more for fair complexion, it's like whitish. It also comes in Peach Kiss, which is more like a pink blush with a lot of shimmer. If you want to try something like that, you can totally do that. But I think the Golden Kiss is a perfect shade for most of the skin tones. But look at the size, guys, it's huge. You have so much product. It's actually half the size of my face, and this will last you forever. The quality is great. It's for $8.50, but I think it's totally worth it. And I have this on right now, and I hope you can see the glow that it's giving me. I like this kind of glow whenever I'm attending weddings and functions where I want a little more pop on my cheekbones, and you can really layer this up as well, and it looks great, and it is definitely gonna suit most of the complexions, the Indian complexions. You should definitely try this one. Alright, so the last thing is something I never thought I would love, but I just gave it a try and I'm so glad I did. It's the Lakme 905 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color, such a long name. But yeah, this one, I'm so glad I tried. This one is like a moussey texture. It's so comfortable, like you can wear it from 9 to 5 as it says the range is. The thing I love about this range is that the shades in this range are so unique. I love my lipstick color to be unique. You do get bored of the regular reds and oranges, and you do want a good mix of colors, something very unique. If you are looking for something like that, definitely check out this one. It is so affordable, so good on the lips, and it actually, I also really like the wand of this lipstick. It's like a doe foot applicator, but it's like pointy. So I have like small lips, and this really allows me to line it, because otherwise, you know, I can get product like all over the place. So this actually gives me that precision where I don't really have to use a lip liner. And the smell is so good. It smells like vanilla and chocolate. It's so amazing. The only thing I don't like about this one is because I have 3 of them. See how obsessed I am with this one. But it's not color coordinated, so it's very difficult. Like I always have to see which shade I'm gonna wear, you know. But I don't really mind that because it's such a good liquid lipstick. If you have dry lips, you can still wear this, and the shades are so unique. You definitely want to check them out. So that's it, guys. These are the products that I'm currently obsessed with. I'm loving these products. However, you definitely want to test them out and keep that in mind. Whatever products work for me, it's not necessary that they'll work for you as well. So yeah, do keep that in mind, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. So make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this, and let me know in the comments whatever your feedback is, your suggestions, and if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi too. Do check out my Instagram page, the link is in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.